Notable figures who left us in 1940. Before we proceed further, consider subscribing our channel to show support. Agnes Iris. She was born on 4th April 1892. She was an American actress. She died on 25th December 1940 at the age of 48. The reason of her death was cerebral hemorrhage. Maxine Elliott. She was born on 5th February 1868. She was an American actress and businesswoman. She died on 5th March 1940 at the age of 72. The reason of her death was abnormal condition negatively affecting organs. Sybil Harris. She was born on 22nd July 1883. She was an English actress. She died on May 20th, 1940 at the age of 56. The reason of her death is unknown. George Regas. He was born on 19th November 1890. He was a Greek-American actor. He died on 13th December 1940 at the age of 50. The reason of his death was cancer. Billy Franny. He was born on 23rd June 1889. He was an American film actor. He died on 6th December 1940 at the age of 51. The reason of his death was heart attack. Lander Stevens. He was born on 17th February 1877. He was an American stage and film actor. He died on 19th December 1940 at the age of 63. The reason of his death was unknown. Mrs. Patrick Campbell. She was born on 9th February 1865. She was an English stage actress. She died on 9th April 1940 at the age of 75. The reason of her death was pneumonia. Leela Leslie. She was born on 1st January 1890. She was a Scottish actress of the silent era. She died on 8th September 1940 at the age of 50. The reason of her death was heart attack. Lajana. She was born on 24th February 1905. She was an Austro-German dancer and actress. She died on 13th March 1940 at the age of 35. The reason of her death was pneumonia. Tom Mix. He was born on 6th January 1880. He was a Swedish actor. He died on 12th October 1940 at the age of 60. The reason of his death was car accident. Maudie Turner Gordon. She was born on 11th October 1868. She was an American actress. She died on 1st December 1940 at the age of 72. The reason of her death was heart attack. Charlie Chase. He was born on 20th October 1893. He was an American comedian, actor, screenwriter, and film director. He died on 20th June 1940 at the age of 46. The reason of his death was heart attack. Ben Turpin. He was born on 19 December 1869. He was an American comedian and actor. He died on 1st July 1940 at the age of 70. The reason of his death was heart attack. Marguerite Clark. She was born on 22nd February 1883. She was an American stage and film actress. She died on 25th September 1940 at the age of 57. The reason of her death was pneumonia. Eleni Chadwick. She was born on 25th November 1897. She was an American actress in silent and in early sound films. She died on 4th September 1940 at the age of 42. The reason of her death was heart attack. Selma Lagerlöf. She was born on 20th November 1858. She was a Swedish writer. She died on 16th March 1940 at the age of 81. The reason of her death was stroke. Walter Chrysler. He was born on 2nd April 1875. He was an American industrial pioneer in the automotive industry. He died on 18th August 1940 at the age of 65. The reason of his death was cerebral hemorrhage. John Monk. He was born on 22nd November 1897. He was an American novelist, screenwriter, and film director. He died on 11th March 1940 at the age of 42. The reason of his death was suicide by hanging. Barton Churchill. He was born on 9th December 1876. He was a Canadian stage and film actor. He died on 10th October 1940 at the age of 63. The reason of his death was uremic poisoning. Walter Connolly. He was born on 8th April 1887. He was an American character actor. He died on 28th May 1940 at the age of 53. The reason of his death was stroke. Donald Calthorpe. He was born on 11th April 1888. He was an English stage and film actor. He died on 15 July 1940 at the age of 52. The reason of his death was heart attack. E. Allen Warner. He was born on 2nd June 1874. He was an American actor. He died on 22nd January 1940 at the age of 65. The reason of his death was heart attack. Wilfred Lucas. He was born on 30th January 1871. He was a Canadian-American stage actor. He died on 13th December 1940 at the age of 69. The reason of his death was heart attack. J.J. Thomson. He was born on 18 December 1856. He was a British physicist and Nobel laureate in physics. He died on 30th August 1940 at the age of 83. The reason of his death was heart disease. Henry Gordon. He was born on 17 June 1883. He was an American stage and film actor. He died on 3rd December 1940 at the age of 57. The reason of his death was leukemia. Lillian Wells. He was born on 10th March 1867. He was an American nurse, humanitarian, and author. She died on 1st September 1940 at the age of 73. The reason of her death was cerebral hemorrhage. Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share.